No lights, no signal, dead phones, warm fridges. This isn't a blackout. This is infrastructure collapse. The power isn't coming back. Not tomorrow, not next year. What to do in the first 48 hours without electricity? This isn't a blown transformer. This is global silence. Your first actions decide everything. Rule number 1 of post-blackout survival. Whatever works now won't work for long. Step 1. Water. Pipes may still have pressure, for now. Drain everything. Bathtubs, bottles, buckets, freezer ice. Don't forget water heaters, toilet tanks, even drainage lines. DIY survival hacks. Build a filter with a bottle, charcoal, sand, and cloth. Distill by boiling water and catching steam on a cold surface. Dig a pit, cover it with plastic wrap, toss in wet grass, and drink the drops that condense. Remember, contamination is certain, chemical, biological, or worse. Always boil or distill before drinking. Step 2. Food. Eat what dies first. Without refrigeration, food spoils in hours, not days. Start with fridge, then freezer. Next, canned goods, grains, salt, nuts, honey. Prepper essentials, dry soups, instant meals, hardtack, and a manual can opener, because your teeth won't survive opening tins. Step 3. Light, heat, and fire. Energy is currency. Batteries are gold, but they drain fast. Always keep power banks charged. DIY energy. Make an oil lamp from a can, oil, and a wick. Rig a homemade battery with scraps and wires. Solar panels? Yes, but limited. Enough to charge a phone, maybe run a fridge or hot plate. But remember, electricity makes you a target. Wind, water, or heat power? Possible, but minimal. Survival tech, not comfort. Step 4. Tools. Your survival kit. A multi-tool or strong knife. Radio or walkie-talkie, manual or battery. Wires, ropes, duct tape. Flashlight, crank or dynamo. Fire-resistant cookware. Notebook and pen. Memory fades, paper doesn't. And the rule. Stay close to people who act. Panic spreads faster than fire. Alone, you won't last long. You have 48 hours. Panic or prepare, your choice. No electricity isn't the apocalypse. Doing nothing, that's how it starts.